warning for Appalachian Bay or coastal waters from Haven Beach to off Rocky River, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters
Too many marine warnings.
Beach out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Swampy River to Apalachicola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 14 nautical miles southeast of Buckeye Reef to 38 nautical miles southwest of Swanee River, moving north at 35 knots. Hazard: waterspouts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Severe thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. The National Weather